coff.ee is marketed as an online shopping store offering a range of products at attractive prices, with promotions designed to make the deals look hard to resist. But before you place an order, the real question is, what doesn't the marketing tell you? Now, to be fair, a lesser-known online store isn't automatically a scam. Some smaller retailers can offer legitimate products and good prices. The problem is that you need to look beyond the advertising. What it does well: competitive pricing. Discounts and promotions can make products appear considerably cheaper than similar items elsewhere. Wide product selection. The store appears to offer a variety of products rather than focusing on just one category, where the hype falls apart. Product quality can be difficult to judge. Professional photos don't necessarily tell you what the actual materials, construction, or finish will be like. Shipping times matter. If products are sourced internationally, delivery could take longer than expected. Returns may not be straightforward. Before ordering, check exactly where returns are sent, who pays return shipping, and how refunds are processed. So, should you buy from coff.ee? Short answer: proceed cautiously. If you find something you really want, check the company's contact information, shipping terms, refund policy, and independent customer feedback first. And consider using a payment method that offers buyer protection. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.